Hi. I've been talking about making kombucha for a while. Mostly, I am tired of paying $3 a bottle, so I ordered a kit online from the Kombucha shop, and it just arrived. Yeah, I think you gotta be extra careful because it's got some glass in there. Figured if I'm paying $3 a bottle, and this is $50. What? At 10 bottles, I'm at 30. At 20 bottles, I'm at 60. So if I drink a bottle a day in 3 weeks' time, I'm making my money back. So let's see. Brewing instructions. Definitely need this. Yeah, buddy. Oh man. Okay, so we're good on the box. I wonder if they have like a, what does this include? Yeah, it does. 1 gallon brew jar with lid. I will say that I picked this one. I think that there were 3 different kits on Amazon that came up when I was like kombucha kits. And one kit didn't come with a glass jar, so you still had to go buy your own jar. This kit was about the same price and it came with a jar, and then there was another kit that just had less reviews. So of the 2 most reviewed, this is the one that had a jar. So that's why I picked it. You can do your own research and make your own decisions. 1 gallon brew jar with lid. Sugar. Baggie. Organic original tea blend. I assume that that's the black tea. Oh, pH test strips. Pipette. Yup. Wet erase marker. Sure. Piece of thread. I assume that that's probably leftover from that bag. Oh, this is the SCOBY. How weird. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is weird. I don't know. Let me come around. How weird. Ooh, it feels like gooey. I don't know. It kind of feels like almost like a wet bar of soap. I don't know, but I'm afraid to like hurt it, so I'm gonna put that down. But this is like the most exciting part for me. Is the SCOBY. Let's see what else. Cotton cover and reusable cotton tea bag. Oh, this is the tea bag. Haha. In a medium-sized pot, bring 4 cups of filtered water to boil, then turn off heat. Okay, 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 4 cups of water in here. Let's put this to boil. Okay, the next step is to pour the entire contents of the tea blend into the tea pouch. I can do that. We're gonna let the tea steep for 5 to 7 minutes. The container is 4 cups, and I needed 4 cups of water. Then I have no room for the tea to steep. Whew. Now it's too hot to touch. I'm going to use this pot. Oh, you can already see it steeping. Very cool. I was trying to keep the bag from falling in. It fell in. Hot. Add the entire contents of the organic sugar. That's a lot of sugar. Plenty of food for that SCOBY. Stir. Once the sugar has dissolved, pour your newly made sweet tea mixture into the 1 gallon brew jar. This is about to be a fiasco. Wow. I'm a boss, y'all. Now I need 8 cups of cold water. I'm using my kettle because it's the only measuring cup I have, and it's got the 4 cups on the side. I know that if the kombucha is too warm, it'll kill the SCOBY or the culture, so I am just gonna put a little bit of ice in here. I hope I'm not messing it up. Alright, that was 4 cups. I need 4 more. Whew, I started freaking out and I was wondering if I only needed 8 total, but it does say add 8 additional cups of cold water. Jar should now be 3/4 full. About. Adhere the temperature gauge to the side of the jar. Awesome. I think I'm going to wait for this to be a temperature, so. Alright, they said if it's still too warm, add 1/2 cup more of cold water, and I put some ice in there. Hopefully it's not going to be too cold now. Alright, I'll be back. I'm going to let this sit longer because I don't want to kill my SCOBY. So, let's take a break. Okay, we're back. Kombucha's cooled. Now we're ready. Ooh, I'm nervous. Let me read the instructions one more time. After it's cooled, add the entire contents of the kombucha culture and liquid starter to the pouch. Ooh. Oh, it's like double bagged. Okay, well, we'll do this one bag at a time because I am risk averse. Okay, this is my kombucha. I'm so nervous. Even though, like, this is it, right? Like, this is the whole thing. This is what we've been building up to. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in there. Oh, it's real gross looking. I'm just gonna, oh God, it smells like vinegar. Okay, gonna put it in there. Ooh, hoo, hoo. It's in there. Okay. Kombucha's in there. Gently stir. Ooh. Oh no! Please don't sink to the bottom. I like all the kombuchas that float at the top. Okay, well I hope my kombucha stays at the top because I know that they say that it can go top or bottom, but I don't know. It looks like everybody else's stays at the top. There's some like kombucha stuck on my spoon. Or not kombucha, but there's some culture stuck on my spoon. Cool. Follow directions on the back of the pH test strips. Color chart. Okay. pH test strips. Color chart. Okay. I'm here for it. And then pH test strips. Take one of these bad boys out. Doop. It's yellow. Nah, it's probably a 3. Yeah, I would say, oh, it's a 3.5. 3.5. Yep, that should read 4.5 or below. I feel good about this. Cover the jar with a cotton cloth. I'm afraid it's gonna fall in there, so I'm gonna hold on to it and seal with the rubber band. Ooh-wee. Using the wet erase marker, fill out your brew notes. Ooh, brew notes. Brew ID. What do you think my brew ID is? Okay, I'm gonna call it 001. Brew date. What's today's date? It's 4/20. And then TU. This is Ceylon? Pylon? Ceylon and oolong tea. Okay. Place your brew jar in a warm place out of direct sunlight with plenty of airflow. No closed cupboards. Leave it there for 8 to 10 days and do not move it. Okay. Where am I going to put this? Where am I going to put this? That's where it's going to live for the next 8 to 10 days. Alright, well, we'll check back in about a week or so. Use our little pipette to test out how we feel about our kombucha. I'll keep you guys posted. Kombucha!